What are you eating, Joshy? What are you eating? Did you put your carrots in the chocolate? Yeah. Is it good? You're making a mess. Is it in your mouth? Get your feet, you're going to gag yourself. Why is your hand covered in chocolate? Because why? Did you put your hand in the cup? Yeah. You were trying to get the carrots out?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
They're not carrots.
Did you eat them all gone?
Let me eat a gun.
That sure looks yummy.
Really likes it, drinking it and speaking it at the same time. Hey, sensuous?
In a minute.
Sensuous up?
I found carrots.
Oh, you found another carrot?
Yeah.
Show the camera. Chocolates and carrot. Or chocolates and carrot. Carrot and chocolates. Was it so good? You need to pick up your cup and go wash your hands and your face so I can clean the counter.
My face,
Say bye-bye.
Bye.